Firefox shortcut to open a particular account container. Firefox has multi-account containers that allow you to use the same website with several accounts, without having to use a different browser. Problem: I always open tabs with Ctrl+T because clicking takes too much time. Question: how to open a new work-related tab with the fastest possible keyboard operation?
As of version 7 of the Containers extension, Ctrl+Shift+1 to 9 works without any further add-on. From the release notes. Set shortcuts in the add-on preferences panel, Ctrl+Shift+Num. Which containers correspond to which number can be configured in the add-on preferences. As mentioned in other answers, Ctrl+Tab also works. On macOS at CMD+Shift+Num.
According to the multi-account container plugin page, you can use Ctrl+ to open the panel. Then simply press the down arrow or tab and enter. Ctrl+./ keyboard shortcut is available to open the containers panel. You can then use tab and the enter keys to open new container tabs. After Ctrl+, you can also use the numeric keys in order to select a container from the list. Thanks CyberAlex. It doesn't seem to support opening a specific container with a designated shortcut.
I use this URL. As far as I know, there are no Firefox built-in shortcuts.
Expanding from @tone7 out so you could Ctrl+, then use number to open corresponding tab.
If you want us to prepare it, please subscribe.